It's week 3 and zone 3, which is the main bathroom and one other room. So this is my main bathroom. It's my hall bath. It's the bath that when people come into the home they use, and I like to keep it neat and tidy. And there's not a lot that I need to do in here. So for my 4 15-minute tasks, I'm going to do 2 tasks in this bathroom, and then I'm also going to do 2 tasks in my 2 upstairs bathroom. So that'll be my 4 15-minute tasks. This video is brought to you by Apron Diva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Visit us at www.aprondiva.com. So I've already done my daily swish and swipe, and now I'm about to do my zone cleaning. And since my zone cleaning in this bathroom and in the 2 upstairs bathrooms include crawling around on the floor, I'm wearing some old stained yoga pants and a t-shirt so that I can get down and into the creases and crannies and those kind of things that I want to get done. So I want to clean behind the commode, and I already came in and squirted some floor cleaner on the areas behind the commode that tend to be a little bit harder to clean. So I've already got that done. So then I'll get my cloths out, my mop out, and then I'll get this floor all cleaned up. The other thing that I want to do is sanitize as much as I can the toilet brushes. We use those in the toilet brush. They get down and dirty, and then we put them back in their little containers. So I want to soak them today in a bleach solution to try to get them as sanitized as possible, and then put them back in their containers. And all I did was just line this little bucket with the trash bags, and now I'm filling it with water. Now take this to the bathroom. Now, whereas I do a daily swish and swipe in here, I don't do this every day. So I've got 2 15-minute tasks in this bathroom. I'm going to clean the shower surround and the bathtub, and then I'm going to do the floor. Again, the floor behind the commode, those places that I don't normally get when I'm doing my weekly home blessing. So let's get that started. So the first thing I'll do is remove all my products from the bathtub area. And I'll throw this in the wash with my shower curtain. And I'm just using a little Dawn vinegar and water, equal parts. And I'm going to let that sit for about 15 minutes. Let the product do its work, and then I'll come and wash it down, and then I'll mop the floor once I've got that down. But I'll give the floor a good sweeping while I'm in here. can go ahead and get this floor mopped and then mop the floor in the other bathroom and then come back. So homemakers, is your home completely blown up? It is a disaster and you don't know where to start. And what's worse, you don't know how to get started. Or maybe you can get things cleaned up, but within a day or two, you're back where you started. Things are just a mess and you just don't know what it is you're doing wrong. Well, homemakers, trust me, I've been there. I have lived that life, but I've made and kept a home for more than 50 years, and I've learned a few things since then. I've frequently been asked if I do individual coaching, and the answer at this time is yes. I've opened a Patreon channel so that I can provide that service for you. It is the elite tier, and it will give you one weekly session with me at $100 a month. So that'll be 4 25-minute sessions where I work individually with you to help you solve your unique problems. So I'll put the link to my Patreon channel in the description box below, and then I can help you create the warm, cozy, and clean home that you desire. Well, my 4 15-minute tasks are done, and as you can see, I am quite the sweaty hot mess. So that's why I wore more utility-like clothes to do this particular cleaning, but it is done. Now, I wanted to do all 4 of my 15-minute tasks on one day, just as my working moms, those that work outside of the home, would have to do. They'd have to spend either a Saturday or a Sunday or one day off using an hour to get their 4 15-minute tasks are done. And I wanted you to see that it is very doable. Now, I did make a huge mistake. When I put the bucket in the tub to fill it with water so I could soak the brushes upstairs, I got a larger bucket because I was going to put in the brushes from 2 bathrooms. And I wasn't paying attention, and I got the bucket overly full, and then I couldn't lift it. And luckily, my husband came home just in time. And here's the thing, I couldn't just pour the water out in the bathtub because I'd already put the 1 toilet brush in there. If I hadn't have done that, I could have poured the water out. But since the 1 toilet brush was in there, I couldn't pour that dirty water into the tub. So luckily, he came home just in time, pulled the bucket out of the tub, and poured the water into the toilet. He poured half the water out so that it was more manageable. And let me not forget to invite you to sign up for my email list so that you can get access to my newsletter. It comes out about once a month or once every 6 weeks, and it's packed full of tips and tricks and homemaking information that you would like to know. And if you hate to do laundry, sign up for my free Laundry Lab Masterclass. I will put the links to both the newsletter and the Laundry Lab Masterclass in the description box below. And for more homemaking and homekeeping inspiration and 15-minute tasks, watch this video next.